Explain to me how Uncle Frankie got turned into a bird. Because why?
Because
what happened?
He poured some kind of like rainbow milkshake or strawberry milkshake or flower milkshake and bees milkshake and chocolate milkshake and baby milkshake and air milkshake.
But how does a milkshake turn you into a bird? That's what Uncle Frankie wants to know.
Because
what does it have, magic powers in it?
Mhm.
Yeah?
Mhm.
And it just turned him into a bird?
Mhm.
And what noises do birds make? You're not going to answer the question? What noises do birds make? And how does Uncle Frankie do it? Show me how Uncle Frankie turned into a bird. No, show me. Like, put your hands down and show me with your hands how you just showed me right now. How did Uncle Frankie turn into a bird?
Because.
Show me. That's how he turned into a bird?
Yeah.
But show me the sounds he made, too. That's a bird?
Uh-huh.
So Uncle Frankie got turned into a bird by getting milkshake poured on him. That's the story you're going with?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Yeah.